all doing? I hope you're well, and I hope you're staying in the cool. It's been very hot here. My husband was out working on stuff today, but he says he was in the shade, so even there I'm sure it was pretty hot. Anyway, I did work on this a little this afternoon, and I want to show you what I've got, but don't hold me to that this is going to be the whole end result. I was doing some experimenting here. Okay. I tried to do a couple of longhorn sheep. Now those are not exactly, those are going to have to be painted different, but size-wise they're really pretty close because they are a huge animal. And anyway, I was trying to put like clouds and, you know, kind of a cloud cover up there because, you know, for it being high. This black streak, excuse me, I put that in there and I'll use it, I'll probably go over it, but I want it to show through. And so I will paint those sheep out because I'll paint them back in later. But I saw pictures of some of these, not so much the longhorn sheep, but some of them just climbing sheer cliffs. It's like, what the heck do they have on their hooves that they can do that? It's like, anyway, so tell me where to start. Please tell me where to start. I did hear thunder. We're getting some storm, dear. I don't know how much we'll get, but we've got something. Okay. Kind of, I think what I'm trying to do is figure myself out. Oh.
Doing great.
Well, guys, I guess I'm going to call it for the night because I know my time is up. There is what we've got so far. Is it starting to look like a mountain? Please be truthful with me. If there's something you see that is just wrong, I mean, if I shouldn't have the sun up there, I mean, these are not rain clouds. They're just, what do they call them? Cumulonimbus or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, there's a lot to keep working on. I'll be working colors in and around each other over there. These two rocks here are a start of my trend that way. We'll see you Monday. And I will probably do a little bit on this tomorrow, because if I just only do it on camera, it's going to be like forever. But I do want to take you along the journey of getting this done. I wish I knew how to make some of it fall back and some of it come forward. I'm going to have to study that. I'm going to have to go and do some study on that. Because it's not like a cliff face. It's not like, you know, a sheer... I mean, it's something that can be walked up at an angle, or, you know, that bighorn sheep can travel on. Anyway, that's just what I've got in my head. That doesn't mean that has to be. So, I'm going to have to cut a lot. A lot of this just thinking out loud, I'm going to probably have to cut that out. Little of it's okay, because that way you know I'm thinking. I'll talk to you Monday, and we'll see how far I am, and we'll go from there. We'll see what I still have to do. I love all of you. Take care. I got paint on my hand today. That's not shocking, but my thumb's still clean. Do give me a thumbs up, by the way. Do subscribe if you haven't, and click that notification bell so you know when I'm on. And right now, the comments are not showing up in my notifications. So every day I'm going to the comments, the TubeBuddy link to comments that have not been answered, and I go through them there. And I do look. Sometimes they will say they will keep one. Never mind, I know all that, so I'll just take care of it. Sometimes they'll put one over in the needs to be checked out, you know, for possible target words, but the words are just, it's not that the words are wrong, it's just they've picked them out. I have a list of things not to put in my reviews, and they're generally part of a phrase. They're generally a phrase, but sometimes it'll pick up what they call an unallowed word, and then it's me who decides. So it would have to be pretty, I mean, if someone goes to a length of some really nastiness on there, then they just won't even show it to me, because that's completely not allowed. We'll talk to you Monday again. Good night.